Hi children, welcome back to the maths class. In the last class, we have discussed about the perpendicular. What is a perpendicular line? A line meeting another at a right angle or 90 degree is called a perpendicular. In the previous class, I had given you an activity. Let's do that. So children, this is the question I had given to you. Here in this figure, one angle is given. We want to find the angle DCB. For finding angle DCB, we know that the angle on the both side of the line must be 180 degree. So, angle DCB is equal to 180 degree minus the angle given. What is the angle given here? Angle DCA. So, 180 degree minus angle DCA is 130 degree. 180 minus 130 degree is 50 degree. So, we got the angle here is 50 degree. So, children listen. The total angle or the pair of angles we got is called a linear pair. If a line is drawn from another line, then the sum of the angles on either side is 180 degree. Such pair of angles got like this is called as a linear pair. Let's do another example. In this question, only one angle is given. We want to find angle ADC. So, we know that the angle on the either side of a line is 180 degree and it is called as a linear pair. Here the total angle is 180 degree. So, we want to find angle ADC. Angle ADC is equal to 180 degree minus angle BDC. That is 180 degree minus angle BDC is 50 degree. 180 minus 50, 130 degree. So, we got the angle ADC as 130 degree. Okay children, let's do a problem in your textbook, page number 10. In this question, two angles are given. Angle ECD is 50 degree and angle DCB is 25 degree. Here we want to find the angle ECA. So, we know that angle ECA and ECB forms a linear pair. So, the sum of the angle is 180 degree. First of all, we can find angle ECB. Angle ECB is equal to angle ECD plus angle DCB. Angle ECD is 50 degree and angle DCB is 25 degree. 50 plus 25 is 75 degree. So, we got the angle ECB as 75 degree. Next, we want to find the angle ECA. Since angle ECA and ECB is a linear pair, we want to find angle ECA. That's equal to 180 degree minus angle ECB. So, we got angle ECB as 75 degree, 180 degree minus 75 degree. That's equal to 105 degree. Let's do another question in your textbook, page number 10. In this question, it is given that how much is the angle between the two slanted lines in the figure. So, for that, just draw a figure using the set squares and scale. Here in your geometry box, there are two set squares, set square A and set square B. Using that, draw a figure like this. Using a protractor, measure the angles in the left and right set squares which we have drawn and label it as A, B, C, D and E. Here we want to find the angles in between the two slanted lines. For that we must first write the angle on the left set square is 45 degree and angle on the right set square is 60 degree. So here we want to find the angle in between the two slanted lines. So we can name it as angle DCE. Angle DCE is equal to 180 degree minus angle on the left and right set square, that is 45 degree plus 60 degree. That's equal to 180 degree minus 45 plus 60, 105 degree. 180 minus 105 is 75 degree. So we get the angle in between the two slanted lines is 75 degree. Let's do another question in your textbook, page number 10. In this question, only one angle is given. Angle ECD is 30 degree. And also given that angle ACD is equal to angle BCE. We know that the sum of the angles together, that is the three angles together forms 180 degree. So the sum of the angle is 180 degree. That is by adding the three angles. Angle ACE plus angle ECD plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. Here one angle measurement is given as 30 degree. So angle ACE plus 30 degree plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. Here we can write the angle measurements in one side. So angle ACE plus angle BCD is equal to 180 minus 30. When 30 goes to the left side, it becomes minus 30. 180 minus 30 is 150 degree. Since angle ACE is equal to angle BCD, then angle ACE equal to angle BCD is equal to 150 divided by 2. 150 degree divided by 2, which is 75 degree. So here we got the measurement as angle BCD is 75 degree and angle AC is 75 degree. Here's an activity for you to do. That's all for today. Thank you.